Okay, if you have been missing crab legs, then this recipe is for you. I wanted to try something. Now, if you've watched my video on when I tried Tabitha Brown's vegan fish, then you know that I use heart of palm. So I'm going to try something with the heart of palm. The can that I get, it comes with four these large pieces. And so instead of flattening these out, I'm going to leave them like this. And I am going to marinate these. And what I learned when I use these for making vegan fish is how tender and flaky they get when they are cooked. And so I have rinsed these out or rinse these off because they come in a brine, and the brine has a little bit of a tart flavor. So I went ahead and rinsed them off. I learned in another group, this is not my original idea. I wish it was, but this is amazing. I have been thinking that I wanted to try marinating these to see if I could get a little bit of that tartness out the next time I made fish. Well, I saw someone say that they soak their heart of palm in fish sauce. I didn't even know fish sauce existed. So, hey, this is a vegan fish sauce. It's soy free. This is the only one they had. I didn't necessarily look for a soy free, but this is the only one that they had at the grocery store I went to. It says it's gluten free as well, but it's vegan fish sauce. And I tasted it first. It actually has a really good taste. I won't say that it tastes necessarily like fish, but it does have a good taste. So I'm going to marinate these heart of palm in this fish sauce. We'll use most of it. Now, I was going to use this because I had the idea before I saw the group post. I had the idea that I wanted to marinate these, and I was thinking I was going to try this. Well, I tasted this. This is actually for when people, when you boil crabs and they're in their shell, and it's a concentrated. Well, I tasted it first. I don't like the taste at all. It's very, very nasty. But if you wanted to try it, you certainly can. It is concentrated, so you wouldn't need very much at all for this. But it's spicy. It just didn't have a good flavor at all. I don't even know how it makes crab legs taste good, but I think there's got to be something else that can be used, but this one for me is not it. So I'm not going to use this today, but I am going to go in with the sea kelp that I used for the fish, and I'm going to add the Old Bay. And I'm just going to marinate these, and then after I've marinated them, probably it's going to be a few hours because I'm getting ready to leave, and I'll come back, and then I'm going to bake these in the oven and see if we get that nice flaky flavor. It's not going to be exactly like a crab leg, of course, but it's going to be something to kind of give me, I'm hoping that it's going to be that flavorful, something that I can dip in some butter and just enjoy that. So this is going to be an experiment to see how this works out. I'm looking forward to trying this fish sauce. Okay, I have quite a bit of seasoning on these. I put it on the other side and I flipped it over, and now I'm just gonna leave these to hang out for a little bit, and then I'll be back in the video. Okay, it's time to take these out. I just took these out of the oven. I had them in for about 35 minutes. I did take them out to check earlier, and I poured a little bit more marinade on. They look amazing. Something that I wish I would have put on before was some lemon pepper. So that's something that I will do next time, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some on now. Just sprinkle on some lemon pepper on there. Lemon pepper is good for anything like that. So these got soft. This one is a little tough. I wasn't sure if I should have baked it a longer time, but I'm ready to eat. So, but these three got nice and tender. Okay, they are very hot, but I do want to go ahead. Oh, it's flaking up. Look at that. You can see, look at that. It's flaky. Probably good to dip in that marinade. Could put some more butter on here. There you go. Look at that. Lord, thank you for this food. I pray your blessing upon it in Jesus' name. Let me see if it's cool enough for me to try this. Have to blow on it. Okay. I think that it's very flavorful. It has a lot of flavor. The marinade did good. There's still a little bit of that heart of palm tanginess there. I think that I would like more butter. So I would put, let me see if I got. Now ideally it'd be better if you had some melted butter, and sometimes I would, when I did eat crab legs, I would put a little lemon juice in my butter. But I just put a little piece on there. And they're so hot, of course, it's gonna melt. See how that tastes with the butter. Oh man. Yes. That y'all. Try this. Try this. This is good. This is good. I'm ready to eat it. I made me some potatoes. I was gonna have salad, baked potato, and this, and I already ate my salad because I was hungry. But oh wow, it's almost a little salty, so if you don't like a lot of salt, you might cut back on that, but it's got so much flavor. I am very pleased with the fishy sauce. That fish sauce, I put the onion in there, and the butter. When you add a little bit more butter, that really brings it together. And I think even if I put squeeze a little lemon juice on this, it's gonna be over the top. So try this. Let me know what you think. See if you like this, if this helps to satisfy, if you've been missing crab legs, if this helps to satisfy that. I want to know what you think. I wanted to come back and let you guys know I squeezed some of this lemon juice on there. Yes, it's good. Squeeze some lemon juice, put some more butter on there, squeeze a little lemon juice, and it's delicious.